Welcome to our YouTube channel TechPLM. In today's video, we will see different resources for installation guide of Aras Innovator. So we will see in this video step-by-step Aras Innovator installation guides, documentation as well as blogs. So I will recommend you some of the good websites, some of the good blogs that are useful for the Aras Innovator installation. All the suggested or recommended platform by me in this video, I will mention all these links in the description box. Kindly check the description box after watching this video. So the first of all, I will recommend you to download and configure your Aras Innovator instance. I will suggest you to watch our part 1 for how to download and configure Aras Innovator installation, that is step by step. In this video, we have mentioned how you can download Aras Innovator, how you can configure your Aras Innovator. This video series in the 2 parts, that is the part 1, and once you watch the part 1, you can go through the how to download and configure Aras Innovator installation step by step part 2. But still, if you are facing some difficulty issue, then you can follow the Aras community blog. So on the Aras community blog also, I got one of the good blog. So in this blog, you will get how to configure and install your development server, that is Windows server, as well as you can install your Aras Innovator on your normal Windows also. So in this blog you will get all information regarding the installation. So in this you will get what are the prerequisites required before Aras installation, and you will get how we can install and configure the IIS. So here they have shown how you can activate the IIS on the Windows 10 as well as on the Windows Server machine, how you can activate your IIS, how you can configure your IIS. So after configuration of the IIS, in this blog only, they have provided the information about how you can install the SQL server. So for installation of the SQL server, you need to go through this video, and also you can go through these steps also. You can follow the steps. You can install the SQL server. This blog is also in the 2 parts. So the second section you can see over the right. In this section, this guy mentioned about how you can install the Aras Innovator. So what are the prerequisites required for the installation of the Aras, and in this blog he has shown the installation step of the Aras Innovator with a screenshot in a great detail manner. So you will not feel any difficulty while installation. He has mentioned all the steps along with the screenshot. So if you feel any difficulty, you can comment down below. I will try to resolve your problem as soon as possible. One more good blog I found on the internet. So in this also you will get how you can install the Aras Innovator by using the Windows machine as well as Windows Server, that is on Windows 10 as well as Windows Server on 16 also. So in this blog also you will get how you can install your Aras Innovator step by step. So you can follow this blog also. I will provide all the blogs, all the links in the description. If you found any difficulty, you can you can comment me down. I will try to resolve your problem as soon as possible, as well as you can mail us on techplm.lc@gmail.com. That's it in this video. I will catch you in the next video. Till that time, learn, code, explore. Thank you so much.
Fearless.